Good morning, day one in Hawaii. Like I said, I did drink last night. Excuse me. But I didn't drink water. So I'm not hungover at all. I just got a little headache. I'm thinking about, oh, it's nasty. I'm thinking about going to get some coffee soon. Because it's about 7 a.m. I think right now. Yeah, it's 7:20 a.m. right now. And I'm pretty awake. I might try to fall back asleep in a second. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. But yeah, good morning from day one. Alright, let's go get some coffee. See you in a bit. To get some Starbucks right now. Look at that view. Woo! I love this place, man. This is great. Coffee has been secured. Breakfast sandwich secured. Now back to the apartment. There's little kitties out all over there. Little island kitties. Ooh, squad goals. There's even one over there, and then a drop top Camaro on the back. Everybody's squatting up. All right, me and Gage are in the car, and we are gonna go see a canyon. And then what's the other one we're seeing?
No, we're just going to Waimea Canyon. And
Waimea
there's
Canyon.
4 different lookouts.
And then there's some lookouts on the way and on the way back.
We're hitting the beach. We're hitting a couple other spots.
Yeah, so we're about to start our first adventure of the trip. It's about an hour 15, hour 20 each way. So it's gonna be a nice little drive to get outside and enjoy Hawaii. This is crazy.
Trying to stand right where she
is. Hey, are you my Uber? They have one stall. No urinals, just a stall.
That shit took you forever.
There was 3 people in line when I got in there.
I walked to the car and immediately some dude asked, "Are you leaving?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'll back up for you." And then I've been doing loops, and then I finally just pulled over because I was like, "Holy fuck, he's taking forever."
All right, so now we are at our second lookout point. We're actually gonna buy the parking pass because it's actually good for all the lookout points, and it's only 10 bucks per vehicle and 5 bucks per person. So we have like 8 or 9 miles to go. So there's gonna be multiple that we can do, and might as well buy it here. Aiden's trying to call. Let's see if it picks up the call from my little brother. That's what we're on our way to, really. I just turned the volume on right when I was looking at it. All right, we made it to the end.
I gotta show. Hunter wanted to see the car.
Ah, this is amazing. Love being here. I'm ready for a little bit of lunch though, honestly. Oh, that's crazy. Like, this is a scene from Lost.
Yeah.
Just want to hop through these?
Yeah.
You can walk out right there if you wanted to. Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Holy shit. That's absolutely nuts. What's up? Picture?
Yeah, and okay.
You want to get one? Pure death. You fall. All right, we just got back to our apartment. That was a lot of fun. I think we left 5 hours ago. We were gone for a good probably 5 hours at least, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's 2:30 here right now, and we
dipped
left
at
at like 9:30.
Yeah, 9:30, 10.
Yeah, so we had a lot of fun, a lot of footage. That'll be fun to edit together. Got some drinks, got a little bit of candy.
A little hour or two break before our next adventure.
Yeah, so we're gonna go inside and eat because we are hungry. Woo. Eating them leftovers. Man, I haven't eaten all day. Look at that light. Bum, 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 bum.